I don't need this. Actually, I just placed a trade for just like 8%. Okay, so the trade has pulled through. Now you're still using this signal service. You can go as low as 7%. I'm not wearing clothes, so don't mind me. You can go as low as 7%, but the fun part of it is that the lower the percentage, the more accuracy you get. The lower, the better. Now, okay, I'm trying to see. That's one, right? Let me see if I can do one more. This is 25. Okay, on the screen, I thought I was on 25 on my laptop. I'm also checking on laptop. Okay, I'm not. I don't think I need to do another trade. This account was from $100, then I grew it to 162. Slow and steady does it. The signal service work? No, I'm not cashing out yet. Because I'm trading with $100, right? So you can see all the trades I did, right? About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, because I wanted to do a recording, that was why I had to do this sixth one. It is important you understand you have to stop. You need to know when to stop. Don't just be trading. You're not going to make all the money in a day. Slow, steady. It's better to make $60 today than you are trying to make 100 and you end up losing everything. It's better to make $50 than you are trying to make more and then you end up losing everything. What happened when people lose is it that I don't lose? Yes, I lost. This is the reason why I look below there. I lost $45, right? I lost $45. That was the reason why I said, okay, I'm going to allow it some time, and then when it is today, I'm going to now trade and make back the $45. So I've made back the $45. I lost $45. I've made back the $45, and then I now have $62. Now, I lost that $45 not to the signal service. I wasn't trading with the signal. I was testing some very quick signal stuff. That was what I was testing. So that was where I lost it to. Now, I decided not to be doing any other thing apart from just signal on this account. But I didn't know. I just got carried away after funding somebody, and I said, oh, I've forgotten. I've not tested what I needed to test. So in the process of testing, I was supposed to close. I didn't close. All those ones are just story. But the main purpose is that, hey, will you lose? Yes. But if you're trading and you're following the rules, the limit, there is lesser losses you're going to experience. Hey, does it work? You decide.